Let us talk now about a very particular thing that happened in New Mexico with the weaponization of punitive damages in these cases. My understanding is that punitive damages are alleged very, very early in cases in New Mexico, often before discovery is complete. Like, how common was that, or has that been in New Mexico, and what does it change legally, strategically for the doctor?
So it's incredibly common. I think in the entirety of my practice, I only remember 2 cases where punitive damages were not alleged.
Come on.
Yeah. It's early, it's often, and then the discovery, which is where you have to answer questions, produce documents, sit for a deposition, get to include discovery into those claims. So it opens up doctors' bank statements, their spending habits and their personal assets all become a part of discovery. And not only is that incredibly uncomfortable and inappropriate, but it's terrifying because insurance does not cover punitive damages awards. Those are the personal liability of those physicians. And so that's a terrifying situation for them to be in, to know that they're facing potential financial ruin.
So let's back up a second, because this greatly upsets me. It's probably going to be upsetting to the people who hear it. When a case has punitive damages attached, let us think for a second about what the implications are for the defendant and how it can affect a case. Like, what are punitive damages supposed to be for?
So punitive damages are intended to be a punishment for really what's egregious conduct, not just a mistake. There's generally 2 types of damages that are pled in cases. One is compensatory, which is we're trying to make you whole because you've been harmed. When we're trying to do that, we say, okay, what are your medical bills? Did you lose any wages? Did you have pain and suffering for the non-economic damages? That's to try to make you whole from a financial standpoint. Punitive damages are you've done something so above and beyond wrong that we must punish you. And the way that we're going to punish you is by generally a multiplier of whatever the compensatory damages are. And in New Mexico specifically, that has been a real problem because other states either don't allow punitive damages claims, require a higher standard, a higher burden of proof to prove to the jury that punitive damages are warranted, or they don't allow you to bring the claim until later after you've established through your discovery process that there's really a basis for bringing punitive damages. Prior to this year, New Mexico didn't require any of that.